guys and welcome back to a new video. I know I'm back after a long time. I'm really sorry for that, not uploading videos for you all. बहुत सारे shifting, place changes and other schedules की वजह से मैं नहीं वीडियो बना पाई. Of course I'll not give that excuse. आप ये भी बोल सकते हो कि मेरे पास कंटेंट की कमी थी, honestly speaking, because I didn't know what to make videos on. And now I will request you all to suggest me कि आपको कैसे videos पसंद है, क्या देखना है, क्या जानना. Today's video is all about what do we have in our cabin crew bag. What are the mandatory things we are supposed to carry and होता क्या हमारे बैग में कि 2 बैग लेके घूमते हैं तो कुछ तो होगा ना. So video is all about that. Request you all to watch the video till the end, and if you have any other queries please comment down and I will be happy to help you with one. Okay, so this is a bag which we get from a company. This is a cabin bag. इतनी ही size का होता है. And also we get a bag like this, which is called a tote bag. So for us as a cabin crew, we really need to carry this. Exceptional, we can carry this, we cannot carry that. But recommended to carry this as well. But ठीक है, अगर हम ये नहीं भी carry कर रहे, that is fine. But we need to have this bag. This is the space of the bag. Enough space to carry a lot of things. First and foremost, I have this. This is a pouch which has my extra uniform, a belt, a scarf, and whatever is needed for me to have in the part of my extra uniform. So why do we carry an extra uniform? Is because might be कभी ऐसा हो सकता है without our knowledge our uniform got dirty, and with which uniform we cannot stand near the passengers or we cannot serve them with a dirty uniform, right? So in that case we carry an extra uniform. In case you have given a laundry to the hotel, भी आपका laundry delivery में late हो गया, but you need to leave for a flight, you cannot wait for that uniform. This is why we carry an extra uniform, part of the uniform, which is this cardigan. It has an Indigo logo over here. So this is a cardigan which we can wear in flight and outside the flight. So mostly this is because of in flight कि कभी-कभी टेम्परेचर हमें कम रखना पड़ता है because of the passengers need. पैसेंजर्स को चाहिए कि टेम्परेचर कम रहे, बट हमें बहुत ठंडी लग रही है तो we cannot decrease the temperature as per our thing because they are guests, we have to take care of their needs. So हम तभी कार्डिगन पहनते हैं. जबकि आई एम शूटिंग दिस वीडियोज इन विंटर्स एंड आप ये पूछ सकते हो कि ये एक स्वेटर काफ़ी होता है विंटर्स के लिए. नहीं, काफ़ी नहीं होता है. तो ये स्वेटर मैंने जैसे बोला इन फ्लाइट के लिए है. वी ऑल्सो हैव बिग कोट. दिस इज द कोट which also has an Indigo logo. Okay, this is the coat, overcoat, which we are supposed to wear outside the flight. Now ये तो मैंने बोला आपको in flight और outside दोनों पहन सकते हैं, but ये हम in flight नहीं पहन सकते. Now comes one more mandatory thing, which is the makeup kit and your skincare kit. So this is my makeup kit as well as ऊपर skincare है, नीचे makeup है. You really need to carry. So it goes over here. I carry as is this pouch. आप बोलोगे क्या है इस pouch में? So there are lots of medicines. Comes the most important documents is this QRH. Is this book which we need to carry every time. So it's a QRH which means quick reference handbook. Now what all things are there? हम जब ट्रेनिंग के लिए जाते हैं हमें एक मोटी सी मैनुअल मिलती है, एक सेफ्टी होती है, उसमें फर्स्ट एड होती है, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आते हैं. में डिटेल में हमें पढ़ाया जाता है कि हमें क्या करना है इन केस ऑफ सेफ्टी, इन केस ऑफ सर्विस, इन केस ऑफ इमरजेंसीज. Now of course we remember all those things, but in case of an emergency sometimes we need to refer something कि मे बी वो पॉइंट याद नहीं आ रहा है, मे बी इसके बाद क्या करना है. सो देन पूरा मैनुअल तो कैरी नहीं कर सकते, बट दिस इज अ रेफरेंस बुक ओपन, यू कैन जस्ट रेफर कि अच्छा चलो ये करना है इसके बाद. सो दिस इज द लाइफ फॉर अ फ्लाइंग. इफ वी डोंट कैरी दिस वी कैन नॉट फ्लाई. वैसे और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें विच वी इफ वी डू नॉट कैरी वी कैन नॉट फ्लाई. वन इज दिस विदाउट विच वी कैन नॉट फ्लाई इज दिस. अब मैं इसको खोल के नहीं दिखाऊंगी. दिस इज अ कैबिन शूज़. हम हील्स पहन के जाते हैं बट ऑन बोर्ड जाके हम हील्स में काम नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज विच विल पेन आवर लेग्स एंड इट्स नॉट सेफ फॉर अस टू वॉक ऑन हील्स ऑन बोर्ड. सो वी नीड टू चेंज द कैबिन शूज इन फ्लाइट. नाउ इसके अलावा हमें और क्या कैरी करना चाहिए, विच इज एक्स्ट्रा पेयर ऑफ फॉर्मल. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट ऑल डू वी कैरी? वी आर सपोज टू कैरी एन एक्स्ट्रा पेयर ऑफ फॉर्मल, एन एक्स्ट्रा पेयर ऑफ क्लोथ्स ऑब्वियसली टू वेयर एट होटल्स. और उसके बाद आपको जितना भी पेयर्स कैरी करना है दैट्स अप टू यू. But the formal is mandatory, an extra pair of shoes is mandatory because अब जब buffet करने जाओगे नीचे you cannot wear room slippers and go, you have to wear the shoes. And इसके अलावा it all depends on you कि what all you need to carry. And then this bag is done. So now we come to that bag. What's there? Now comes to this bag. So this bag has one chain in the forward. There's one divider. It keeps stuffs over here. And इसके पीछे भी एक divider है. So I don't know how much can you see this. But this is one more divider. The most mandatory thing is my iCard, which I am not supposed to fly. I am not legal to fly because my iCard and my license is here. So this is very important. Also my passport. If I get an international layover or I'm going flying somewhere international, I need to have my passport. So my passport. Some sanitary napkins in case you need. So I carry Bhagavad Gita. I carry is an extra pair of watch which should be there in your bag again because अगर आपका वो घड़ी बंद हो गया तो you need a watch. So now what I carry is the small pouch which contains my BA tube. तो हमें हर फ्लाइट के पहले BA करना ही पड़ता है. Test whether we have consumed alcohol or not. In case we have, then that's a different scenario. This is not mandatory to be carried. वहाँ पे भी मिल जाता है but good to carry. Now comes this small pouch. अब इसमें भी थोड़े थोड़े मेकअप है जिसमें है my nail paint, compact powder, some lipsticks. That's all. अगर आपको immediately replenish करना पड़े तो you can go in the washroom and replenish. आप हमेशा वो बड़े वाले किट तो नहीं निकालोगे. This is good to. Again some medicines, immediate medicines which I am using right now. So ये ऊपर रहता है. After that I carry a body lotion or hand lotion क्योंकि फ्लाइट पे हाथ पैर बहुत ड्राई हो जाते हैं. Now my perfume जिसका कैप मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. I keep this clutcher. Nice. So I bought this small pouch. अब पूछोगे ये pouch में क्या है? So this pouch has 2 earrings which we got as a Christmas gift in Delhi. Now I have this. इसका हैंडल खो गया है. This is a lint remover. So कभी कभी यूनिफॉर्म गंदे हो जाते हैं पर इतने भी गंदे नहीं होते कि you have to change it. मे बी कहीं कुछ लग गया है, कहीं कुछ चिपक गया है. So you need to remove the lint. So then this lint remover is very helpful. Yes, a small mini mirror which I got from Delhi. But the most important part is, which is important for me as a lead. One more folder of files which I carry every day. So what is in this I cannot open and show you, but I'll tell you. We have the recent circulars. What are circulars? Recent notice बोल सकते हो आप. Recent implementation of SOPs. If something is new, we cannot add everything in that quick hand reference book. Now you said that is a quick hand reference book. That is there. That is permanently there. ये तो change कभी नहीं हो सकता है. But these can be changed and unchanged. So जो नया नया updates आता है, you have to keep it. Now this is the lead folder. Second thing, मैं भूलने की मुझे बहुत बीमारी है. मैं इतनी चीज़ें भूली हूँ ना एयरक्राफ्ट में. I've forgotten my new water bottle. I've forgotten so many novels. I've forgotten my tiffin box. So I prefer to keep it inside because इसमें बहुत mandatory documents हैं. बहुत कुछ है in-flight related things which I'm not supposed to disclose. So yeah, this is the lead folder. Again, an important document without which I can fly but I should not fly. मतलब फोल्डर के बिना तो फ्लाई कर सकती हूँ मैं, बट फोल्डर के अंदर जो चीज़ है उसके बिना फ्लाई नहीं कर सकती. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. My handle will be given over here. Also it's in my bio, so please go and follow me on Instagram. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.